Hello friends, in this video we will discuss most important GK and GS questions which are very helpful for all competitive exams. So let's start without wasting your time. Question number 1. The largest irrigation canal in India is? The right answer is option B, Indira Gandhi Canal. Question number 2. Name the scientist who first declared that the earth revolves around the sun. The right answer is option B, Copernicus. Question number 3. Which of the following is the most toxic gas? The right answer is option C, carbon monoxide. Question number 4. Name the animal which can live without water in its entire life. The right answer is option B, kangaroo rat. Question number 5. Through which organ does a fish respire? The right answer is option C, gills. Question number 6. Which lenses are used by people having short-sightedness? The right answer is option B, concave lens. Question number 7. Which is the basic characteristics of a living organism? Right answer option B, ability to reproduce. Question number 8. Which of the following is caused by deficiency of iron in the diet? Right answer option C, anemia. Question number 9. What is the range in hazard of a normal human hearing? Right answer option B, 20 to 20,000 hazard. Question number 11. Which is the hottest substance in the human body? The right answer is option B, tooth enamel. Question number 12. Who invented zero? The right answer is option C, Indians. Question number 13. Which vitamin is available to the human body through sunbathing? The right answer is option D, vitamin D. Question number 14. In which part of the plant does photosynthesis take place? The right answer is option D, leaves. Question number 15. Which of the following is affected by rackets in the human body? The right answer is option C, bone. Question number 16. Which of the following gases do plants and trees give out during photosynthesis? Right answer oxygen. Question number 17. Which metal is added to steel to make it stainless steel? The right answer is option B, chromium. Question number 18. Of which part of a plant is onion a modified form? The right answer is option B, stem. Question number 19. Which of the following is affected by pyorrhea? The right answer is option C, gums. Question number 20. How many kilobytes make 1 megabyte? The right answer is option C, 1024. Question number 21. Which instrument is used to measure the density of milk? The right answer is option C, lactometer. Question number 22. In which year did the cabinet mission arrive in India? Right answer option C, 1946. Question number 23. Panchayati Raj come under which list? The right answer is option C, state list. Question number 24. Harsha Charita and Kadambari are the works of. The right answer is option B, Bana Bhatta. Question number 25. When did the War of America Independence took place? The right answer is option B, 1776. Question number 26. Which of the following is the largest and the deepest ocean of the world? The right answer is option D, Pacific Ocean. Question number 27. SARS was formed in which year? The right answer is option C, 1985. Question number 28. Which country is called the land of white elephants? The right answer is option C, Thailand. Question number 29. Which country is called the land of morning sun? The right answer is option C, Japan. Question number 30. Which country is called the land of thousand lakes? The right answer is option B, Finland. Question number 31. Which country is called the land of midnight sun? The right answer is option C, Norway. Question number 32. The land of kangaroos is called which of the following? The right answer is option C, Australia. Question number 33. The longest day is observed on. Right answer option B, June 21st. Question number 34. Dronacharya Award is given to which of the following? The right answer is option B, coaches. Question number 35. Arjuna Award is given in the field of. The right answer is option C, games and sports. Question number 36. Which is the highest civilian award in India? The right answer is option D, Bharat Ratna. Question number 37. Gyanpith Award is given in the field of. The right answer is option B, literature. Question number 38. Dada Sahib Phalke Award is given in the field of. The right answer is option C, cinema. Question number 39. Who was the founder of Sikh religion? The right answer is option B, Guru Nanak. Question number 40. What is the ratio of the length and breadth of the Indian national flag? The right answer is option B, 3:2. Question number 41. Which is the lowest unit of local government in India? Right answer option D, Gram Panchayat. Question number 42. The famous dance Kathakali is related to which state? Right answer option C, Kerala. Question number 43. Gol Gumbaz is located at which of the following places? Answer this question in comment box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching my video.